Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Hitachi Smart TV step by step. First, place your Hitachi Smart TV remote in front of you so the process stays simple. Make sure your Hitachi Smart TV is powered on and displaying the home screen. Now lift the remote and point it at your Hitachi Smart TV directly. Press the home button on your Hitachi Smart TV remote to open the main menu. Use the arrow keys to scroll through the Hitachi Smart TV options slowly. Move down until you reach the Settings option on your Hitachi Smart TV. Select Settings and wait for your Hitachi Smart TV to load the menu. On the left panel of the Hitachi Smart TV, scroll to Device Preferences. Select Device Preferences to access deeper Hitachi Smart TV controls. Scroll down inside Device Preferences on your Hitachi Smart TV. Look for the Reset option inside your Hitachi Smart TV menu. Select Reset and wait for the confirmation message on your Hitachi Smart TV. Choose Factory Reset to erase data on your Hitachi Smart TV. The Hitachi Smart TV will ask for a final confirmation. Select Erase Everything to start the Hitachi Smart TV reset process. Now place the remote aside while your Hitachi Smart TV restarts. You'll see the Hitachi Smart TV reboot animation appear on screen. Do not unplug your Hitachi Smart TV during the reset process. Wait as your Hitachi Smart TV wipes old settings and apps. After a minute, your Hitachi Smart TV will power on automatically. You'll now see the initial setup screen on your Hitachi Smart TV. Pick up your remote again to continue setting up your Hitachi Smart TV. Select your language on the Hitachi Smart TV setup screen. Connect your Hitachi Smart TV to your home Wi-Fi. Sign into your apps later after your Hitachi Smart TV is fully configured. If the menu was not accessible earlier, turn off your Hitachi Smart TV. Wait 10 seconds before powering your Hitachi Smart TV back on. Look for the physical buttons under your Hitachi Smart TV. Press and hold the power button on your Hitachi Smart TV. While still holding power, plug the Hitachi Smart TV back into power. Keep holding until the Hitachi Smart TV recovery menu appears. Release the button once the Hitachi Smart TV logo flashes. Use the volume buttons on the Hitachi Smart TV to navigate the menu. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset on your Hitachi Smart TV recovery screen. Press Power on the Hitachi Smart TV to select the option. Choose Yes to confirm wiping data on your Hitachi Smart TV. Wait for the Hitachi Smart TV to complete the wipe. Now highlight Reboot System Now on your Hitachi Smart TV. Your Hitachi Smart TV will restart and begin fresh. Place your hands near the cables to ensure everything is connected securely to your Hitachi Smart TV. Check the HDMI cable at the back of your Hitachi Smart TV. Gently push the power cable to confirm your Hitachi Smart TV is firmly plugged in. Press the power button again to wake up your Hitachi Smart TV. The setup screen should now appear on your Hitachi Smart TV without errors. Follow the steps to complete setup on your Hitachi Smart TV. Reinstall your apps after signing in on the Hitachi Smart TV. Adjust picture and audio settings on your Hitachi Smart TV for best performance. Your Hitachi Smart TV is now fully reset and ready to use. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your refreshed Hitachi Smart TV.